The United Nations Environment Programme, UNEP, has highlighted this dual nature of AI, its potential to solve big problems like climate change, waste, and disasters, but also its growing environmental. So, what's the big idea? Artificial intelligence is like a super smart tool जो कि data को analyze कर सकता है और it can make predictions and automate tasks. It's already changing health, education, and industry. Now it's being used to fight climate change and protect nature. But the way AI works also harms the environment. अब देखेंगे कि how artificial intelligence helps the planet. AI can solve several environmental problems, जैसे कि fast fashion, reducing waste. यहाँ पे problem है कि fashion industry produces tons of clothes that end up as waste because of overproduction. तो AI solution क्या है? AI can optimize manufacturing by predicting what clothes people will buy. This reduces extra stock, cuts fabric waste, and makes production more efficient.
Second है कार्बन न्यूट्रलिटी, लोअरिंग कार्बन फुटप्रिंट। एप को पता तो है कि फैक्ट्रीज एंड इंडस्ट्रीज रिलीज अ लॉट ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड CO2 विच कॉजेज ग्लोबल वार्मिंग। तो यहाँ पे AI सोल्यूशन है कि AI's algorithms can improve energy use in factories and buildings, making them more efficient. This reduces CO2 emissions, helping achieve carbon neutrality, balancing emissions with reductions, right? Third है disaster prevention, reducing risk. Let's see the problem. Problem is, natural disasters like floods or earthquakes hit hard in risky areas. Or AI solution is, AI uses precise mapping and data to predict where disasters might strike. This helps governments prepare better, saving lives and property. मतलब अब देख रहे how artificial intelligence changing the world. So fourth है fast food, reducing food waste problem है। बहुत सारा खाना वेस्ट होता रहता है from farms to stores due to poor planning. तो यहाँ पे AI solution है। AI helps farmers grow crops more efficient.
It can predict demand so less food spoils. Pollution tracking में भी AI का बड़ा रोल है। आज कल एयर एंड वाटर पोल्यूशन बहुत है, which can harm health and the environment. So AI monitors pollution levels in real time and gives early warnings. Governments can then take action, like limiting traffic or cleaning rivers. Sixth number है weather. यहाँ पे problem is climate change makes weather hard to predict, affecting farming and safety. Let's see AI solution. AI processes huge amounts of weather data to improve forecasts, helping us prepare for droughts or storms. So अभी हम देखेंगे the downside of artificial intelligence. While AI helps, it also harms the planet because of how it's built and run. Energy hungry data centers. ऐप को पता है एक AI को रन करने के लिए it needs powerful computers, data centers. और ये data center use a lot of electricity, often from fossil fuels, producing smoke and carbon dioxide. तो इसका impact रहेगा global warming. और एक problem है electronic waste. E-waste, old servers and devices from data centers pile up as e-waste, which contains toxic materials that pollute soil and water. तो इसका impact क्या रहेगा? Yeah, it harms nature and health. और एक problem है water waste and mining. You know what? Data centers need water to cool machines, and mining for minerals like lithium for AI hardware uses resources, sometimes causing droughts. और इसका impact ecosystems and water पर रहेगा। अभी AI बेनिफिट भी देता है और रिस्क भी है, तो हम AI को वाइजली कैसे उसे करें? How to use AI wisely? UNEP says we can harness AI's power if we use it responsibly. Use AI where it saves more resources, like reducing fashion waste than it consumes, like data center energy. Sustainable. Run data centers on renewable energy, recycle e-waste properly to reduce pollution. So sustainable AI is good for the planet's health. Ethical use. Ensure AI doesn't harm